Hi, in today's video, the take-home message is how to create spaces in a lateral compaction technique for the additional cone placement. You will have to use a smooth instrument like a spreader, which is smooth and pointed. It can be a finger spreader or a hand spreader, which I prefer should be a 5% flare, which also goes to say that the cone that you'll place is about 4%, which generally I prefer a one size less or a one tapered less. When you create a space, see that the space is created on the lateral side, deform it for 20 seconds so the master cone is pushed to one side and there's enough space for the additional cone to go in. Take a locking plier and see that the cone straight away goes into the space that you created. The trick being, use a minimal sealer technique so that the sealer doesn't pool into that space. Also, the cone goes straight into the space that has been created. Thereby, additional cone can be pushed easily.